Hi, my name's Randy. I'm over here at the Overland Expo today. We're showcasing our GearMission line. This is a wood-fired, smokeless fire pit. We have all kinds of different little attachments that go on. We can grill up your food. The bundle of wood will last about 5 hours. Burn it all down to ash. And when you're all done, you pack it up in your bag, put it in your vehicle, and you're ready to go to the next site.
All right, looks like, yeah, you could also, use it for cooking on top, though.
Oh yeah, yeah. Here's cooking attachments. Boil your water, cook up some eggs, get your coffee hot. Once it's hot, you flip it around. If you want to keep something warm, have it up higher. We have it up, and then we have our little wood stand here. You can keep your wood on, and it all packs down to about the size of this. Legs are inside, and that can go right inside as well. The way it works smokeless is there's air that comes in through the bottom and in the sides. It comes up through, there's a grill down here. And then there's also holes along the side here where the air will come in as well. And that burns the wood really well and efficiently.
Where can people find you if they want to purchase one of your products?
We have an Instagram page, and they can find us on Instagram.
All right, it's just at GearMission?
GearMission USA.